Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have David here, he's back. Very nice, we like David, and this time we have a song called Feel It, alright? So this is a nice song, very easy chords if you use the capo here, which you're gonna place on the first fret. So if you haven't got any capo at this point, I really suggest you get one, and that makes your life much easier. You could go without this capo and use the same chords I'm teaching, but you would not match up with the sound then, all right? So if that is important for you, then get this one and let's do it. So we're gonna look at the chords now, and it's almost the same through the entire song, or yeah, it actually is, but with some variations. I'm gonna show you soon. First, the chords. So we're gonna go with the C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. And from this C major, you go to the A minor 7. It's a very easy transition to this one. All right, so you can just keep that mid finger on the second D string, and it sounds like that. Open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the G. All right, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the E minor. And that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right. So we're gonna look at the strumming pattern now, and if you go back to the C major, grab that one string around will be down, down, clap, down. Very easy. So, all right, so down, down, clap, down. A couple rounds of that will be all right. So the verse play is C major, 2 string rounds, A minor 7, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and E minor, 2 string rounds. So 2 string rounds per chord, C, A, G, and E, like this. Alright, so that is how you handle the verse. Then when you come to the chorus play, you're gonna do like this for one round. So C major 2, A minor 2, G2, and E minor 2. But then for the second round, you're gonna alternate these 2 rounds. You're gonna play C major 2, A minor 2, G3, okay? So G3 there in the end, and then you're gonna do 1 down on G still after the 3 rounds. And then you're gonna go to just grip like this, almost like an A minor 7. You can skip the last B string down there, because you're just gonna do 1 down on the bass strings. So it's enough to just hold the second D string there and do 1 down on that as well, and that ends the round. So the second alternated round will be C major 2, A minor 2, G3. Then you still keep that G and do 1 down, and then you switch to this and do 1 down, and then you continue with whatever you're gonna do there, verse play or another round of the chorus. So the second round in the chorus, the alternative round, I'm gonna show that now. It goes like this. If you do that a little bit slowly, it will be continue. All right, so that pretty much covers David's Feel It. All right, very important to feel it when you play guitar, and I hope you felt that this time my desire to help you out here with this tutorial. So if you feel that, feel free to support me back here on Gordon Guitar. Thumb up this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and make my day. So thank you for all the support, guys, and play tuned.